bali mu evening stroll, bali kuki. The hens, they are all chilling, ziringa eziri ku beach. Kati nze nzija zikwata ate gazisituka zigamba ani atulumbye. Kambaviire nze kangende nkwata amazzi gange. So let's check on our water. My shoes, I hope my shoes won't get dirty again. No, okay, me, I don't want to wash my feet again. So you see how clean this water is, my friends. Whew. Indeed, I'm going in the mud with my nice dress. Vananga, I've already bathed, washed my feet. But let me not take the boots. Let me stay with my shoes. Okay. See the water? It's really looking so clean. This is just right now it's about midday. We cleaned it in the morning. So it's been like how many hours since we cleaned? Like 3? Yeah. About 3 hours since we cleaned, and already it is looking so organized. Let's go see. Let's go see. Now that's its floor. Okay, it's not per se looking so organized, but it's just clean. This one is very clean. I had picked some thinking I'll use it for something. My mother was like, no, we're not using it. I don't care. So I didn't use it. See, somebody's looking for something to eat. Do you see that little birdie? Hey, birdie. You want to say hi? No? Yes? Okay. He's Mr. Buddy right there. I'm zooming in so you can see Mr. Buddy. That's right there. That's Buddy for you. Now Buddy likes to come pick things in some of the areas. But if I come close, you know what happens to Buddy? Buddy is gonna fly away. Okay, Mr. Buddy. I'll leave you alone. It's more like it. Let's go from down and see it well. Okay. I'm jumping hoops and scoops. Birdie? Okay, that's how it's flowing from there. We made a passage for the water. Now the water is flowing, and it is flowing, and it is flowing. I dug up there, but I didn't make any further. Now see this one. This one we'll check it on it also in the morning. But for now, it's already starting to become more. Cause you see, what I didn't film for you as we were doing, because all our hands were busy working. But now what we did is we had this sack, we added soil in it and placed it here, because this was according to the plan that my mom had. She's more experienced in these things, so she's like, this water, for it to be good, it has to all come up to this. I don't know if you can see properly. Like, it has to come up to this level, like up to this level, then it can find a passage out after reaching this level up. So she's like, when it reaches this level, then there you can even dip in properly a jerry can without it getting disorganized again. So now you see already it is starting to, because before we placed this here, this sack below, there was no water here. Like, there was no water, it was just going. But now, because we placed this in the morning when we were working here, but now it's already coming to fill the sack, which means it's going to, we don't know by tomorrow what level it will be at. So the springs are really producing water, and we want it to come here, then it can flow, then it will be neat and good to go for normal use. For now, it's not yet usable. Yeah, until it starts to flow, until it reaches up, and then it starts to flow. That is for our water here. That's what we did. We put a sack of 3 sacks, little small sacks. We filled this one that is there first, down there. I don't know if you can see it, but down there. Plus one sack. That is the one you're seeing here. You're seeing this side. It's the one you're seeing here. The first one that is left here, and then that one, and then this one on the top. So someone can. The intention is I can walk on it like this. Yeah. So when the children are getting water, the children went for Christmas, for the holiday, they went somewhere to my sister's place in town, but they'll be coming back. So in case they are to come, they know that it's a little bit of an easier passage. And if you watch, you can be like, why are your kids picking water course, they're going to be here with the old lady. They will have to pick their water. She can't be picking water for them. So, yep, here we start doing that kind of work a little early on. No one works for you just because you're a child. No, everybody does lift their weights. All right, it's not a weight though, but it is what it is. Okay, let's see the rest. So that's our water from a little bit far. As you can see, I'm happy. It's looking a little bit good. Yeah, because we're going for a hot season, and if we do not get this fixed, my friend, hot season water dries up real big, and then the rains are not as frequent, so it means many trips to the well, which really my mom is not in position to making, and we won't be here to help her, and the kids will also be back to school, because yeah, and then yep, it will be. But if that water is working, it would. Ooh, it's really looking clean. Honestly, I know you can't see it now. I'm seeing it, but before it was really very horrible and hopeless. But it's coming together. The springs are really producing water, and it's the more they produce, the more they push the bad water out, and the bad water gets to flow, which will in the end help to clean the well. Now let's see from a bit of from here. This is still not very well streamlined, because but still water is managing to come through from the little spring that is up there that we dug, and it made a little bit of a hole. So you have sugarcane here, a thicket of sugarcane. They really look small, but they are not dug through. I wanted to make a passage here in front of the sugarcane, but bro, I got tired, so I was like, you know what, it is what it is. These frogs can jump. You may think it's fish. Okay, I wish it was fish, but it's not. Can you imagine? I'm seeing a bee on sugarcane. I didn't know bees come to sugarcane, and a grown-up sugarcane for that matter. I don't know. There is no sap, but I'm seeing a bee. I don't know if you can see that bee. Can you see that bee? I'm seeing that bee. What the heck is it looking for? It's coming on a sugarcane, on the sides of a sugarcane. Is there any nectar there? I don't know. Let me try to zoom in and see if you can see the bee. You see it? I don't know if there is nectar there, because that's a little sugar cane. But the sugar cane is not broken in any way or form. I used to think bees only go on flowers, but it's here with the rest of the little insects. I don't know what it is sapping. And you see, it's moving its tail like it is sapping some nectar there. Interesting, right? Because these are the kind of sugars, and I don't see anything that can be sapped by. I'm seeing a bee, and I'm like, bee, what are you looking for? Okay, let's zoom back out. Check. So what I've done with this water, my friend, every little bit counts. I came here, I didn't film, because man, I was trying with my energy. I was removing, because the grass was all over this. It was like a thicket. I removed a bit. I didn't do it. I didn't do a clean job, honestly. See me. Very horrible job, but it helps. I wanted this water to come, but I'm saying this is a bit clean, but still it's not moving heavily. But we'll see. We'll see. I cleaned it a little bit. Now, I'm more like an expert digger or worker. Was hired to do here. She did some time ago, and you see the work she did. It's getting, of course, grass is growing back again, but at least she did a really good job. They know how to do it. So she dug this trench, yeah, as compared to me, the poor dug. Yep. So she didn't do this area because she said it had a lot of water, so she didn't agree to it in the package of the work she was being paid to do. So she did up to from here. She did from here and around up to the side. So she stopped. So these ones, I've just cut out a bit of the grass. Yep, we'll see. So she dug this whole area. I don't know what plans my mom has, because the grass is growing again. But I kid you not, we're going in a hot season, because this is December. Today is Christmas was yesterday, so today is 26th. Yep. So in a few weeks, this January will be starting, and January is normally hot. It can get really hot, that even someone who lives in a swampy area like my mom, who has a lot of springs around her, the springs too can dry up. When it gets that hot, you can walk on those in these passages, the trenches, because they will be really, they will be dry. They will be as dry as here, because here it was blocked. They placed here this sugar cane. This sugar cane blocked the water from coming down. But when it gets to a rainy season, even those stretches, you see I'm walking in it. Okay, you can't see me. Hey, birdie. What's up, birdie? So I'm walking. This trench is walkable. You can walk in it. Okay, there it's a little bit soggy, but you can walk in it. It means in January, when it gets really hot, even those trenches that you've been seeing where water has been flowing, they will all get this kind of dry, that you will be walking on it. So it means when you have crops in this area and it's this dry, and then you do not have a well-organized spring, it can really be a problem, especially for someone like my mom who doesn't have that modern irrigation really. So that water will come in handy, because whether it gets so hot, the other spring we dug, the little spring that's coming close to home, will keep producing, and also the well water. Hey, birdie, you've gone? Come on, birdie. We love to do this together. Why did you go, birdie? Birdie has gone. And birdie flies faster than a plane. Okay, not faster than a plane. Okay, this is another... Ooh, okay, I love flowing water. I really do. I really do. I'm seeing water in there in the thickets. But that's at the edge of our land. After that water, it's not our land. That's just a trench that is water that flows. This whole area, man, is full of water. But anyway, so this is another trench. Now this one, I don't know where it's even coming from, and I'm not going to go trace it because I really don't want to get my feet dirty. I've just washed. So where you see this extremely green grass, that's a trench. It's the area produces that sharp green grass. Yeah, just know it's a trench of water, having water like this. Now this you can't use, but it's flowing at a very, very low pace. So this area, I don't know why my mom wants to go here today. I was just trying to see that the well at least starts to run its water. Whether we don't use it now, but we give it a chance to clean itself and have that water flow. Yep. Because when it stays stagnant, we don't want to be raising frogs, because what will happen is those tadpoles will become frogs, and then that will be a problem. Let's see what's up there. I know I've given you a tour of this garden. When it was well dug, it had a lot of good crops. Now you see this matoke. It's not cleaned, like it's full of whatever, but I'm not also good at doing it, and my mom is really not having the energy for it. When she had a bit of more energy, she used to clean them very occasionally is the word I was looking for. But anyway, here they are, all looking the way they want. And unfortunately, I won't touch them either, because I have to go back to town and I have to resume work. So, because we gotta eat, we gotta earn and pay our bills. But anyway, so now this is a lot of work to put this whole place into shape. But at least together we managed with my mom to try and do some of our water. Now you see the cassava. The other thing she wants to do is to dig through the cassava, because this cabbage, now you see this cabbage. At least you see they dug through those cassava, the cassava plants. But because it's been a rainy season, you dig and then you want to dig again and again, because the grass keeps growing back at a faster rate. Especially you see this kind of grass. I think in Luganda we call it chilanda. I don't know if you even know it in English. This kind of grass, I'll try and see if I can search for it. It can grow even if you dig and the roots are still down there. It grows again and it just keeps moving and spreads everywhere. I don't know if you've seen it. Let me get it for you again. This kind, now here they dug. It can dry and then it grows. It's this kind of grass. This kind of grass. Like it grows and it keeps moving and climbing, like it's here also. You see, it's the same kind of grass. You see it? Like it just keeps moving, like it's flying. You see it? Because my mom was telling me it's the water that makes it move, but now here there is no that kind of running water. But it just keeps going and moving. It grows like veins, like it's... It can be difficult to dig and get rid of from your garden. All right, guys. I think I will come back to this garden tomorrow, right? Not per se for the garden, but to check on our water. As you can see, I wanted you to see what we're doing. I'm telling you, when you see this does not give you a picture of an average village garden. Some are better villages, some are worse. It's really a variety, really. It's just my home area, so my mom's home area. So that's what we are. That's how what a swamp, how, how water source. So that we are trying to restore a little bit. Because if we need to try somebody, it would be very expensive, and we don't have the money for it. So we're like, you know what? Let's see what we can do with our hands. And yet the person would have done exactly what we've done, or even probably in a less way. But I like this spring, honestly. I really do. Only that we couldn't. It's a passage that we use, that we can't make another swamp there. I mean, yeah, another area to maybe, if only maybe we could do. Anyway, maybe not. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. See that spring. Honestly, the more you dig, the more water you find there. It is so full of water. And you see, it's coming. It's coming. I like it. See that? I like this. Look at it. It's like rainwater. Hey. Let me leave.